Counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Smith, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
All right. Show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review this document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
You're charged with taking a weapon from an officer as a third-degree felon. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and an up to $10,000 fine. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Judge.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Judge.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Judge.
Ms. Smith, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Right.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $500 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration 2022 CR 6751. There's to be no contact with the Quick Trip store, number 4007, located at 310 San Pedro Avenue, San Antonio, Texas, 78212. And there's to be a DDRF evaluation. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
They have not.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. And I have a question about this from each of you. So outside the plea bargain agreement, you all have placed the DDRF.
I think I put that twice, Your Honor.
Okay, so that is a part of your plea bargain agreement, isn't it?
It is, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
And the no contact with the store is a part of your agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem. If you all want to initial here. Sure. Thank you. Oh, no problem. All right, no problem. All right, now I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
I do have a question.
Sure.
Because I'm homeless, do you guys refer to like waiting for hope or someone stable?
Yes, we'll work with you on that.
Okay.
All right, thank you. So then to the offense is charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State moves to admit what's been marked as State Exhibit 1 and all attachments into evidence.
We reviewed the same object.
Ms. Smith, I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Will I be going home today? Or does it take like a while for like?
No, you will not be going home today.
Okay, how long does it?
I mean, you don't have a home. You told me you're homeless.
But I'm saying, will I have to wait for like?
Just let me read this.
Sure.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding you guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are good.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
This has to be court, consider honoring the plea agreement as, Ms. Smith has indicated. She's homeless, she's going to work services, and work food programs, and she's had, some mental health issues, and want to get assessed and, provided with a treatment option. Also, Judge, she, has cooperated with the state in other cases. And so she, there's definitely someone I believe will be able to get probation.
Can you hear you, counsel?
Report on her table.
Mr. Vale, could you please keep your voice up? I couldn't quite hear you.
And so, so we're asking the court just go ahead and honor the agreement of the parties, Judge. Place on trial.
All right. So why are you homeless?
Marital issues and where I was at, we caught a charge, an assault charge in our marriage, but where I was at, I wasn't on the lease. And so with that, I guess disturbance of where we were at, because it was a house with rooms rented out, there were other tenants and it was disruptive. So I mean, I could have stayed, but I would have been going against his terms. I would have been going against my own terms as far as us not being able to be together at that time.
How old are you?
I'm 30. I just turned 30 in Fort.
Where's your family?
I have family in Fort Worth. I have my auntie here and my stepdad here, but because I do have a history of drinking, I don't really have anywhere stable to be at without them trusting that I won't drink.
All right, do you have any children?
I have stepchildren in my marriage.
All right, what's your mental health diagnosis?
I have schizoaffective depressed type and manic depression with psychosis.
Other than alcohol, what have you used?
I have smoked weed, mags, I've done meth. Meth is my go-to on the streets, as far as being on the streets. That's why I do need shelter. I need some. I know I've been in Haven for Hope and they've helped. It's just I wasn't ready. You know what I mean? But that is one place that I would like to go back into. I was in the jail outreach program there. So it's kind of like you report there too.
When's the last time you had employment?
It's been years.
All right, so how are you supporting yourself?
I'm on the streets. I can't handle.
What's your criminal history?
Lately it's been criminal trespass because with me being homeless, I try not to move around too much. So I generally just stay in that area just because it's safe for me.
All right, so what is her criminal history? Does anyone know?
She has just a misdemeanor history, Judge. This is her first felony offense.
Can you get this to the phone?
And, that's why they were recommending defer. Yeah, she's been incarcerated the whole time, since she was picked up on this charge.
And Your Honor, as far as I can tell, it is just misdemeanor history.
Yes, ma'am. This is my first felony.
Yeah, there was a felony that was reduced to a misdemeanor, but
Okay, any violent history?
it was an assault. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your violent history?
I do have a previous, it was an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon dropped down to an assault. And then I have 2 other assaults, one in Tarrant County, I believe it was, Cold Spring. And another one here.
Are they misdemeanors?
Yes, ma'am. They're all misdemeanors.
I appreciate your honesty. All right, this is what the court is going to do. 4 years deferred adjudication, $500 fine to probated. Take in consideration 2022 CR 6751. There's to be no contact with the Quick Trip store, number 4007 at 310 San Pedro, San Antonio, Texas, 78212. There should be 100 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. This is the order in which I want things probation. 1, a referral to felony drug court. 2, DDRF. 3, TAP evaluation. And felony drug court should accept her. If felony drug court doesn't accept her, then we'll see what the DDRF says. If they don't accept her, then we'll do the TAP evaluation and we'll come back here and I'll make a decision on where she should be. Felony drug court is a great program. It's one-stop shopping. They'll take care of mental health issues. They'll take care of drug issues. They'll take care of housing issue. They'll take care of employment issues as far as getting you on track with your life. So you need to be as honest with them as you've been with me, and they'll accept you. All right. There is going to be field visits 2 times per month. And the conditions I'm giving you, if you're accepted to felony drug court, they're going to be in charge of the conditions. So they may do something different than what I've done.
Okay.
Once you go to felony drug court, I'll only see you for 2 reasons. 1, you've graduated and you want to tell me, thank you so much for sending me there. I got my life in order and I'm in touch with my family again. Or 2, they bring you back here because they say, we tried. She didn't want it. All right. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be the UA hotline until further notice. Proof of employment within 15 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors until further notice. And so what that means is your husband, whoever it is, if the children are with you all and he needs to do a grocery store run, you need to tell him you're going to have to take the children with you because I'm not allowed to be around the children by myself. You understand? Probation, is there anything else that she needs?
No, Judge.
All right. Is there anything else that you need from the court in order to be successful?
I've noticed you said 15 days of employment. I do not have any type of ID, like no ID, no social.
Oh, they're going to take care of that.
Okay, I
All
just
right.
wanted you to know that personally. So if they can be like, she don't have a job by 13, at least you know that.
Oh, well, here's the thing. This is what I require. Require that people are to make sure that they are seeking employment. So if people don't have employment, you got to show proof that you've been out there hustling, trying to get employment. Oh, and also probation, I'm going to want a MIC evaluation as well.
Is that, well, see, that's, I thought it was DDRF, but
Yeah, DDR,
so
MIC.
is that gonna come after the drug court evaluation? Or-
Yes, after. So I'm at 1, felony drug court, 2, MIC DDRF.
Okay.
And she's going to remain in custody until those are done.
Yes, ma'am.
So today is Monday, last time I checked. If this is sent to felony drug court today, they'll probably see you this week or at the latest next week on Monday.
Okay.
Be completely honest with them, okay? All right, is there anything from either side with regards to sentencing? Anything else?
Nothing pro tem defense, Judge. The approval of the dismiss.
All right, thank you. Show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? All right, is there anything else?
Nothing from defense, Judge.
All right, we can go off the record. Ms. Smith,
Yes, ma'am.
you're gonna have to change your ways. I always tell everybody that I'm in the twilight of my life. They tell me I'm not, but really I have more of my life behind me than in front of me, right? we deduct from our life on this planet when we do bad things, right, to our bodies. Not exercising. That may take a couple of years off your life. Not eating right. That may take a couple of years, maybe just 1 year off your life, right? But if you're out there using drugs, that takes a lot of time off on your life and it ages you. And the fact that you don't know what people are putting in the drugs because it's not FDA approved. Like there's a rat running around pooping on the drugs. People are like, well, let's just put it in there because they're not going to throw it away and say a rat got in this. You never hear on the news about people who make drugs that they won the blue plate special award because they don't care, right? So you're going to have to do better. Otherwise, you're going to shorten your life significantly. I don't want to hear about you on the news,
Right.
Dead from drug overdose.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 4511, State of Texas versus Albert Delgado. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? For
John
the
Koontz,
defense?
I'm sorry, John Koontz for Mr. Delgado.
And are you Albert Delgado?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Delgado, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge, we're going forward on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, PG1, less than a gram.
All right, any objection?
No objection.
Mr. Delgado, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance? Penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. As a state jail felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Judge.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, Judge.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
With regard to that, Judge, we had him evaluated by the doctors this past summer because there were some indications of possible mental health issues. Dr. Caldwell, I believe was the name, interviewed him and came back stating that he was competent and that he didn't have any issues with regard to understanding or knowledge of the events or what's going on in court. So I'm comfortable with what the doctor found.
All right. Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He was, Judge.
Mr. Delgado, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you into this plea?
No, Judge.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, Judge.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
No.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain agreement, did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Judge.
According to the plea bargain agreement, state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at 180 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No conflict.
State any evidence?
Yes, state offer states exhibit 1 in its attachments.
We have no objections. We've reviewed it.
Mr. Delgado, I'm show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Judge.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Judge.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge, we'd request that. He has approximately 7 months in.
Right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, we'd request that you follow this plea bargain. We're very grateful. They reduced it down a degree and then offered him the 1244 time served. So we just request that you follow that.
All right, the court then is sentencing you to 180 days in the Bear County Jail on 1244 and giving you credit for any time served. And the court will show that the judgment is satisfied.
Thank you, Judge.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Judge.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
All right, good luck to you. We can go off the record. So did the neck tattoo hurt?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you ever think when you're starting to get the neck tattoo, do you ever say, this is too painful, I'm just going to stop?
I stopped a couple of times.
Okay. Well, do you have children?
No.
All right, that's sort of good because you need to get your life together. You have a mom who
It's
loves
getting
you?
there, it's getting there.
All right, you have a mom
Yes.
who loves you? Stop disappointing her. She just wants her son to be the best person that he'll be. So why don't you give her that as a present for Mother's Day, okay?
I'm on that road.
All right, good luck to you.